Hi friends, welcome to the class of Assistant Education, which is an easiest method to achieve much more knowledge. Yesterday class I asked a trick question. The answer is night watcher. Yesterday class I asked some quiz. In India, which state language is English? Which state? The answer is Nagaland. Who is the writer of Srimad Bhagavad Gita? The answer is Vyasadeva. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. It is according to APJ Abdul Kalam. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. आज का ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है who stands after death. Now today's quiz is what is the name of the car of Sri Jagannath? What is the name of the car of Lord Balabhadra? What is the name of the car of देवी सुभद्रा. आज का फुल फॉर्म है एसआई सब इंस्पेक्टर. टुडेज टॉपिक इज एडजेक्टिव. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द वास्ट कोर्स अबाउट एडजेक्टिव. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव? द वर्ड व्हिच डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन इज कॉल्ड एज एडजेक्टिव. बिफोर क्लास वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट नाउन. सो द वर्ड व्हिच डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन इज कॉल्ड एज एडजेक्टिव. जो शब्द विशेष्य पद को विश्लेषण करे ताकू आमे कहिबा विशेषण पद. सो सच एज टॉल, रेड, ब्लैक, गुड, बैड एटसेट्रा. दीज आर द एडजेक्टिव. लेट अस एन एग्जांपल. Ram is a tall boy. So here boy is a noun, Ram is a noun. Ram is proper noun. Then boy. So boy is a noun. Which type of boy? किपरी boy. So boy को describe करूची tall. Boy कौन ना boy होची noun. So noun को describe करूची tall. So tall is adjective. Here I am a good student. Student is a noun. And which type of student? किपरी student. So student को व्याख्या करी student को विश्लेषण करूची good. So good is adjective. Now come to normal classification of adjective. There are 5 types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, pronominal adjective, proper adjective, demonstrative adjective. So what is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality कहले गुणवाचक विशेषण. Adjective of quantity संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Pronominal adjective सर्वनामवाचक विशेषण. Proper adjective व्यक्तिगत विशेषण. Demonstrative adjective निर्दिष्टवाचक विशेषण. Now come to what is adjective of quality. What is the definition? The adjective which describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective of quality. So quality को describe करूथिले जेउ पद गोटे नाउन बा प्रोनाउन रो गुण को describe करूची, गुण को explain करूची, विश्लेषण करूची, ताको आमे कहि परिबा adjective of quality. जेपरि कि द गुड बॉय. बॉय किपरि बॉय? गुड बॉय. गुड टा होची गोटे क्वालिटी. सो को क्वालिटी रो बॉय सेटा से होची गुड क्वालिटी रो बॉय. सो दैट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. द टॉल ट्रीज. ट्रीज व्हिच टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज? टॉल ट्रीज. सो टॉल इज क्वालिटी ऑफ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नाउ सच एज ए व्हाइट क्लॉथ. व्हिच टाइप ऑफ क्लॉथ? व्हाइट क्लॉथ. द प्राउड किंग. दीज आर द क्वालिटी ऑफ quality. So the adjective are known as adjective of quality. Now come to adjective of quantity. संख्यावाचक विशेषण. The adjective which describes the quantity of a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective of quantity. That is ଯେଉଁ विशेषण पद द्वारा कौनसी नाउन बा प्रोनाउन रो क्वांटिटी विषय प्रकाश पाए, संख्या विशेष प्रकाश पाए, ताकू आमे संख्यावाचक विशेषण कहि परिबा. सच एज एग्जांपल 5 रुपीस. कितना रुपीस? 5 रुपीस. 600. सो द अमाउंट, the quantity which describes the noun is known as adjective of quantity. Now come to pronominal adjective, सर्वनाम वाचक विशेषण. The pronoun which acts as an adjective is known as pronominal adjective. मतलब ଯେଉଁ ପଦ ସର୍ବନାମ ହୋଇ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରେ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ସର୍ବନାମ ବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ କହିଥାଉ. ସୋ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ମାଇ ବୁକ୍, କାହାର ବୁକ୍, ମୋର ବୁକ୍, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମାଇ ଇଜ୍ pronominal adjective. Now they are pencils. Pencils are noun. This is noun. But kaharo pencil, that is they are pencils. So there is pronominal adjective. Her is pronominal adjective. Now come to proper adjective. So the adjective which create before a personal noun is called as proper adjective. पर्सनाल व्यक्तिगत, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव मतलब व्यक्तिगत विशेषण पद. सो पर्सनाल नाउन पूर्वरु जो विशेषण पद यूज होइथिबो बा व्यक्तिगत विशेष्य पदरु जो विशेषण जात हुए ताको आमे व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण कहि थाउ. सो एज एग्जांपल, इंडियन, जर्मन, फ्रेंच. इंडिया इज ए, देयर इज ए पर्सन whose personality is Indian. He or she is a Indian. He or she is a German. He or she is a French. So Indian, German, French, these are the proper adjective. Now come to demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective मतलब निर्दिष्ट वाचक विशेषण. The adjective due to which any person or material is added, that is called demonstrative adjective. So जो विशेषण द्वारा कौनसी व्यक्ति बा वस्तु को निर्देश करा जाए बा जो विशेषण द्वारा कौनसी व्यक्ति बा वस्तु निर्देशित हुअन्ति ताको निर्दिष्ट वाचक विशेषण कहा जाए. एग्जाम्पल, दिस बुक, दैट खाता, these pens, etc. When one order to others, then this book, that khata, these pens. So book is noun, khata is noun, pen is noun. So this, that, these are the adjective. And which type of adjective? These are the demonstrative adjective. Again, adjective is of two types on the base of syllable, that is one syllable, two syllable. One syllable adjectives are long, tall, good, bad, etc. And two syllable are beautiful, difficult. These are the two syllable adjective. Again, typically adjective is two types, that is one syllable and two syllable before. But typically simple and compound. What is simple? The one word adjectives are simple adjective. So this is same as one syllable adjective. But here simple and compound, they are one syllable and two syllable. So simple and compound. Simple is the one word adjectives are simple adjective, that is red, hot, deep, black. And compound adjective is more than one word adjectives are known as compound adjectives, such as blood red, deep black. On the basis of all power uses of adjective, it is of two types, that is attributive adjective, predicative adjective. What is attributive adjective? The adjective which is used before the noun is called attributive adjective. जो adjective विशेष्य पद पूर्वरु व्यवहृत हुए ताको आमे कहबा attributive adjective. That is, it is a big chair. So here chair is noun and big is adjective. The adjective is used before the noun. So the adjective is known as attributive adjective. Now predicative adjective. The adjective which is used after the noun is called predicative adjective. जो विशेषण पद विशेष्य पद परे व्यवहार हुए ताकू प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहा जाए। सच एज एन एग्जांपल, द फ्लावर इज रेड। हियर रेड इज द एडजेक्टिव, फ्लावर इज द noun, but red is used after the noun, so this is called predicative adjective. Now come to the degree form of adjective. There are three types of degree form of adjective, that is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So first of all, we will discuss about positive degree. What is positive degree? Base form of the adjective in which situation we do not compare with anybody else, we use positive degree. मतलब बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव जो क्षेत्र में कौनसी जिनिस बा कौनसी व्यक्ति सह तुलना करा जाए नहीं से क्षेत्र में पॉजिटिव डिग्री व्यवहृत हुए। एग्जांपल, राम इज ए गुड बॉय। राम इज नाउन, boy is noun, and good is adjective, not comparative with others. Ram is only a good boy, that's all. Now come to comparative degree. When we compare two persons or two things in this situation, we can use comparative degree. मतलब जो क्षेत्र रे दुईटी जिनिस बा दुई जन व्यक्ति मध्य तुलना करा जाए यही क्षेत्र रे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री व्यवहार हुए। So, example, Ram is smaller than Hari. Here, Ram is noun, Ram is small. Small is adjective, but here compared with Hari. Ram is compared with Hari. Ram is smaller than Hari. Small is adjective, but in comparative degree, small added with er या फिर more. In comparative degree we use adjective plus er or more. So example, Ram is smaller than Hari. Now come to superlative degree. When we compare one with all, in this situation we can use superlative degree of adjective. जो क्षेत्र में जन को समस्तों सह तुलना करा जाए से क्षेत्र में सुपरलेटिव डिग्री व्यवहृत हुए। सो इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री एडजेक्टिव प्लस est या फिर मोस्ट। सच एज एन एग्जांपल, राम इज द बेस्ट बॉय ऑफ द क्लास। राम इज गुड बॉय, बट राम इज द बेस्ट बॉय ऑफ द क्लास। व्हेन होल क्लास सह राम को तुलना करागला सेते बेले राम इज द बेस्ट बॉय because the form good, better, best. So the superlative degree is best because positive, comparative, superlative. Good ro positive होची good, then comparative होची better, and superlative is best. So example, Ram is the best boy of the class. Now we will know about this degree. One syllable रे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री रे er एवं सुपरलेटिव रे est ऐड हुए, बट टू सिलाबल कंपैरेटिव रे मोर एंड सुपरलेटिव रे मोस्ट लागे। केतेक एडजेक्टिव शेषरे ई थिबो, शेषरे ई थिले केवल आर ओ एसटी बसे। यथा एग्जांपल, वाइज, वाइजर, wisest. So wise is the adjective, wise the positive degree is wise, then comparative, comparative re wise ro wiser, then superlative wisest. So wise is main word. Then in comparative जदि adjective रो शेष word ई थाए तेबे comparative रे केवल r ऐड हुए, superlative रे est ऐड हुए। Now come to adjective शेषरे y थिले, adjective शेषरे y थिले एवं पूर्वरे consonant थिले। Let us an example, gay. Then here the last letter is y and the before is vowel, but adjective शेषरे y थिले एवं पूर्वरे consonant थिले, that is dry. The last letter is y, but the before of last letter is consonant. So adjective शेषरे y थिले एवं पूर्वरे consonant थिले, comparative कला बळे y स्थान रे I एवं er, superlative कला बळे consonant स्थान y स्थान रे I plus est, that is dry. ये है positive and its comparative is drier. The y is converted to I plus er, then its superlative degree is driest. That is the positive, comparative and superlative. But पूर्वरे भावेल थिले किपरि हेबो ना, adjective शेषरे y थाई, y पूर्वरु भावेल थिले only er and est add हुए, that is gay. What is the comparative and superlative form of gay? Gay is positive. Gay, gayer is the comparative and superlative is gayest. Remains constant. The main part is remains constant, only are er and est. But some adjective two type comparative degree, मतलब केतेक adjective रो दुईटी comparative degree, दुईटी लेखाएं superlative degree थाए. Such as an example, old. We can say old रो comparative होउसी older and superlative होउसी oldest. But there are two forms of comparative and superlative degree of old, that is, or one another is old, elder and eldest. This is the example. Now come to formation of this type adjective. Of positive, comparative. What is the formation? We can create. How can we create adjective from noun? By suffixing y to the noun. Noun रे y suffix add करी हमें केमती adjective पाइबा. That is, the noun is blood, the adjective is bloody. That is suffixing y. Heart, hearty. Bush, bushy. Oil, oily. Health, healthy. Need, needy. Fault, faulty. Luck, lucky. Rose, rosy. Brain, brainy. Fun, funny. Thorn, thorny. The nouns are converted into adjective by the use of suffix y to the noun. Now come to by suffixing ous to the noun. Noun, courage, courage, courageous. Glory, glorious. Melody, melodious. Danger, dangerous. Riot, riotous. Fury, furious. Story, studious. Now come to by suffixing al to the noun. Accident, accidental. Crime, criminal. Voice, vocal. Occasion, occasional. Nature, natural. Brute, brutal. Origin, original. Palace, palatial. Nation, national. Now come to by suffixing ic to the noun. Artist, artistic. System, systematic. Drama, dramatic. Energy, energetic. Climate, climatic. Emphasis, emphatic. Athlete, athletic. Tragedy, tragic. Now some adjective formed from the verb. Verbs to adjective. Tire, tireless. Cease, ceaseless. Talk, talkative. Move, movable. Now adjective formed from other adjective. So adjective to adjective. Whole, wholesome. Black, blackish. tragic, tragical, sick, sickly. Now come to adjective forms of noun. Noun to adjective. मतलब what is the adjective form of a noun? That is sun. Sun. The adjective form of sun is sunny या फिर solar. Water. The adjective form of water is aquatic. Year, annual. Mother, maternal. Father, paternal. Brother, fraternal. House, domestic. And the adjective form of mind, mental. Air, aerial. Sea, marine. Tooth, dental. Body, corporal. Law, legal. Moon, lunar. Night, nocturnal. Nose, nasal. Light, luminous. Death, mortal. It's about adjective phrase. So adjective phrase मतलब all total adjective. What are these adjective? In word order, quasat sacum. QSATSCOM. Quasat sacum. मतलब Q for, S for, A for, T for, ऐसे. So Q for quality or opinion. Quality adjective. That is example good, bad, wise, foolish, etc. Now come to S for size. So the adjective taken as size, new, old, young, modern, etc. A for age, 35 years, 20 years. T for temperature, hot, cold, dry, wet. These are the adjective of temperature. S for shape, that is round, square, rectangular, pentagonal, etc. C for color, blue, green, white, yellow, etc. And O for origin, Indian, American, Chinese. These are also adjective. M for material, wooden, woolen, earthen, etc. These are the adjective which is known as adjective phrase. So friends, I Ashish Kumar Sahu, the channel Ashish in Education. এই ভিডিও ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ପସନ୍ଦ ଲାଗୁଥିଲେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଏବଂ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଆଶିଷ ଇନ୍ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ ସହ ଯୋଡ଼ି ହୋଇ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଆଗକୁ ନିଜର ଉପକାର ନିମନ୍ତେ ଏହାକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ।